Module-2, Google Ads and Social Media Ads. Get ahead in the advertising game, and transform your advertising skills with our unbeatable, comprehensive Google Ads and Facebook Ads courses. Master the art of digital advertising, with our latest strategies and techniques, to dominate the digital advertising arena. Our expert-led courses are designed for beginners and professionals alike and include hands-on exercises and real-world examples. Sign up now to secure your spot at the forefront of digital marketing, and enroll today. This comprehensive Google Ads course would cover the following topics: Introduction to Google Ads and PPC advertising, setting up a Google Ads account and creating campaigns, keyword research and targeting, ad copywriting and creation, bidding strategies and budget management, ad extension techniques, sitelinks, callouts, structured snippets, etc. Setting up conversion tracking and analytics. A/B testing and optimization of ads and landing pages. Advanced targeting techniques, custom intent audiences, demographics, etc. Remarketing and display advertising. Campaign types, search, display, video, shopping, etc. Measuring and reporting on campaign success. Optimizing for mobile and voice search. Integrating Google Ads with other advertising platforms and technologies. Staying up to date with industry trends and updates.